They make the merengue into a chip here?
Like a pita chip. Like a pita chip.
Yeah?
Yeah. And they have skin cream.
Skin cream from the merengue?
Yeah. What else do they have?
I think it's some kind of like good for your health too.
Yeah, I heard they steam it like cabbage.
Yeah. So there's actually a big business for it on the north coast.
Okay, so there's a big business for on the North Coast in Dominica Republic for the merengue.
Yep.
That
So,
is it.
Puerto Plata area.
Okay.
Sosua, Cabaret, and Puerto Plata.
So the merengue is doing really good because when I read it says this country is famous for the merengue.
Yeah.
And that is the reason why I'm asking you because I'm in the business of herbs.
Uh-huh.
That is it.
Yeah, you have to, yeah. So
And what's the name of this restaurant we're in?
This is
Mezcalitos.
Mescalita.
Mescalito. But I heard that it is owned by a Jamaican.
The Jamaican jerk chicken is excellent.
The Jamaica jerk chicken is excellent
This is our
here.
second time here, my second time ordering it. The cabbage is excellent. The sauce on the side is excellent.
So you come here mainly for the jerk chicken, the Jamaica jerk
I
chicken.
had it for the first time the other day and I've been craving it.
That is it. Oh, this is my meal. Oh my word. This is it.
Did you get the drink?
Thank you very, very much. Oh no, I'm eating fish.
Oh, okay.
No meat for me, man. I've had enough of that. It's my pleasure being here, man, and it's nice talking to you, man.
You too.
Oh my word, this is it. This is my favorite person in the restaurant, man. So I'm here in the Dominican Republic, my people, my viewers and subscribers, and luckily I'm eating at a Jamaican restaurant, man. The restaurant is owned by a Jamaican. It's my pleasure doing it, man. So I'm going to be having fish. This feels so good. My birthday is loading and I'm outside Afuera. Outside, my people. I'll see a tale of natural life is outside. No, I'm inside. Watch over my dinner. I'm going to make sure not to go too close to where the music is playing. I wanted my viewers and subscribers to see on the outside, but the music is playing over there. So I'm in Punta Cana. Punta Cana. Earlier I was in Santo Domingo. It was really, really nice out there, man, and the people were nice. The people here are nice as well, but it's night, man. In the daytime, I could have seen their faces better, man. So I decided to eat here tonight, man. From there I've been snacking, just snacking. I was very, very tired after the flight. The other girls went out partying, but I went to sleep. If they were going to party tonight, I would have gone with them. But we just decided to come here. They are here as well, but they are on the other side where the music is playing. So I'm going to be having my fish and fried plantain. And you know, I'm always shouting out my viewers and subscribers. Colleen, Tommy, Zane, my kids, Macy, Mace. You know, you are my heart, man. And thank you very, very much for helping to put this trip together, man. My son, you know I love you, man. Oh, my word. I know you really wanted this for me, man. Colleen, I know you really wanted this for me too. Zane, thank you for telling me that the world is too big for me to be sitting in Jamaica alone. Oh my word, you will see mommy soon, man. Guys, thank you all for supporting my channel, Althea Taylor Natural Life. Today is the 12th of November. Tomorrow the 13th would be my birthday. Will be my birthday. I didn't plan the day, what I will do as yet, but I'm here in the Dominican Republic with a population of 11 million people. The language is Spanish. A lot of people speak English as well. The money being used here is peso, and we can use US as well, because in the restaurant it's US for my lunch, man, my dinner. 12 US. 12 US. That is it. And as I said, man, thank you for always supporting my channel. Thank you. Oh, there's beat. There's a... Okay, let me come out of this. I tried my best not to go where the music is playing. So you know how that is. And you know, I had a real bad headache today, but I took some Panadol again, and I drove for over 3 hours from Santo Domingo to Punta Cana today. So I was really tired, man. So the driving took up most of the day for us, because we left after 11 o'clock. So we didn't do much today, but tomorrow would be a full day. Tomorrow would be a full day. I just spoke to some ladies in the restaurant about the merengue, because you know I'm in the business of the herb, and they say 6 hours drive from here is where the big business of the merengue takes place. I won't be able to go and see that this time around, but I will be back, man. I will be back, because I want to learn more about the merengue plants. So, once again, thanks to my viewers and subscribers. I won't be able to show you me having my Sunday dinner, because there is music playing on that hen. So I'll leave you to be, man. So I'm in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. That is it. Thanks for watching, my people. I'm out.